So case studies are awesome, perhaps one of the best marketing assets you can make. But what if they could talk? The biggest knock on case studies is that they're usually a wall of text, and people are looking for the numbers. But what if these numbers and the story behind it and the people behind it came to life? That's the magic of Jellypod. All you have to do is download your case study. You can download as a PDF or as a doc, up to you. And then you go ahead and go over to Jellypod. The first step is to create a host that is going to be your customer. All this takes is a 2 to 3 minute recording from your customer. In our case, we have Rachel Simmons here. I've already made this, but it's just as simple as create new clone, name, backstory, and then you upload that 2 to 3 minute clip to get their voice cloned. Here I have Rachel Simmons. Then I go back to the podcast. This is where I do all of my Jellypod case studies and news. So I come over here. I already have Rachel Simmons configured as one of the co-hosts with our usual Timothy Barnwell. And then I go ahead and click new episode. I attach the case study. And then just like that, the system begins to process the information. So next I press create. And next I'll review the outline to make sure that the arc of the episode is similar to the arc of the case study, or maybe I even wanted to make it better. The metrics are in the right spots. The opener is correct. Then I click generate transcript. Then I'll review the transcript to make sure that everything is 100% correct. Once it is, I press generate audio, and then I'll give it a listen to make sure everything sounds good. And once it does, what's nice is we have a share URL here before publishing that allows you to share both the audio file and the transcript, so your customer can take a look and make sure that they're happy with it and they enjoy everything about it. And then they give their approval, and then just like that, you hit publish, and then you can download the MP3, you can post it to Spotify, or really anywhere else you want. So just like that, case studies can now talk.